Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2025 Volkswagen Taigo? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. Engine compartment fuses protect vital electrical components from overloads and short circuits, preventing potential damage and ensuring the proper functioning of the vehicle's electrical system. Instrument panel fuse box. The fuse box cover in the dash panel of a right-hand drive vehicle features a secure, removable design for easy access. It protects fuses for key systems like lighting, infotainment, and safety, while ensuring quick inspection and replacement when needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.